Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Today's video is sponsored by Tavex Bullion and I'm going to be unboxing a package that they sent to me so I could do a review. So without further ado, let's start the episode. So yeah, Tavex Bullion have sent me a silver piece. I'm not going to tell you what it is until I have unboxed it. But one thing I know I am looking for in this package is the classic Tavex Bullion sweets. I'm hoping they've sorted me out. Let's have a little look in here. Yes. Lovely jubbly. Perfect. Good old Tavex. Thank you very much for that. Wow. Okay. Nice. I haven't had to avoid my details for once, so that was nice and helpful. Lovely package in here by Tavex. As always, I'm not surprised because they do a very good job when it comes to sending their gold and silver bullion. In my experience, it's the best experience I've ever had from a bullion dealer when receiving precious metals. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this beauty. I haven't seen it yet, so let's have a look. Ooh, lovely. That is very, very nice. Okay, so this is a 2023 1 ounce koala silver coin with Queen Elizabeth on the rear. It feels very substantial actually. I like the capsule. It's a nice, good quality capsule. Let's take a closer look at the coin. So you can see two koalas on there, and it says 2023 1 ounce 9999 silver. Very nice coin. I am going to be cheeky and take it out of the capsule if I can get it out. Now I did have a little look on Tavex Bullion's website before I did this unboxing at their price. Now, if you're looking to buy one of these 1 ounce koala coins, you are looking to pay around £36.79. So it does fetch a bit of a premium over your standard 1 ounce Britannias, which go for around £27.59. Now, I can't get it out of the capsule, so I'm going to give up there. But yeah, so back to the pricing. Yeah, if you want one of these, you're going to look to be paying around £36. And compared to a Britannia, which is £27, it's nearly a £10 difference in price for the exact same weight of precious metal. So in my opinion, I'm going to, do an honest review. It's not something I would ever buy. It's a stunning piece. I love the design. It's very, very unique and different. I like the feature of the Queen Elizabeth on the rear. It's very different to the usual sort of imagery that can be on the standard Britannias and stuff like that. But yeah, it's not for me personally. It fetches far too high premiums when it's, if you're talking about just weight value when it comes to precious metals. You could be looking at a 1 ounce silver Britannia coin for nearly £10 less. So yeah, it is a lovely coin, but for me, it's just slightly too expensive with the premiums. But, if you're a collector, maybe you're not someone who's trying to stack for precious metals weight, you're maybe stacking more for a collective purpose, and yeah, you're not too worried about that, then maybe this would be a good buy for you. But in terms of investments, I think you could probably make a better investment going for something like a Britannia, because you'll be saving yourself nearly £10 in price, and you'll be getting an exact same weight of precious metal in terms of 1 ounce silver. However, having said that, with these more specific designs and sort of limited edition pieces like this, they can go up in value in the future. I've seen it before myself with my 1 ounce silver Una and the Lion bars. I bought 3 of those nearly 3 years ago now, maybe 3 years ago. And they've gone up quite a bit since I bought them. Same with the No Time to Die 1 ounce James Bond bar. They became very, very popular. And that was exactly why I bought them, because I figured it was Daniel Craig's last Bond film. So it may become desirable. And it did. So if you're wise to what might be desired in the future for collective reasons, then maybe this might be a good investment. But really, if we're talking just from a pure weight value of precious metals, in my own opinion, and I'm no financial advisor, I'm just a guy who likes talking about investments and precious metals, I would personally go for your standard 1 ounce silver Britannia from Tavex Bullion's website over a koala coin like this, but that's just me. I'd love to know what you think in the comments section below, whether you think this is a good buy or you'd be more happy just to stick with your standard Britannias or sovereigns and items like that. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you again to Tavex Bullion for sending me this wonderful piece to review. Thank you for the sweets as always. I know they know that I like the old sweets, so big thank you for that. And hopefully we can continue reviewing more products from Tavex Bullion, because I thoroughly enjoy them as a company and their products and their quality of postage. So yeah, I would have to say I recommend Tavex Bullion. This isn't an endorsed comment. This is just me being honest and trying to help you guys where, you know, is a good place to make your precious metal purchases. And for me personally, I really, really rate Tavex. So yeah, thank you for watching. A big shout out to the channel members. We've got the Stat Collector and 365 Days of Silver. Thank you very, very much for your support as always. And until next time, I'll see you all in the very next episode. Bye bye, guys.